guys, today we're going to be opening some blueberries.
Some blueberries? What we've got is William is going to taste test some food storage. I've got a sampler pack from Valley Food Storage. I've got 15 servings of dried strawberries, 15 servings of dried raspberries, and 15 servings of dried blueberries. And William likes blueberries, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so this 3-pack, 100% real, no sugar added. It is just freeze-dried fruit. Has a 25-year shelf life. And this sampler pack costs $32.99 for 45 servings. So it's about 73 cents a serving, which is good to put in someone's lunch.
Yes.
Do we have a hard time finding things you'll eat to put in your lunch?
Yeah.
Especially stuff that is healthy. Oh, you think healthy's this way? I bet after this we'll see if healthy's this way. All right. So, William, would you like to try some?
Yeah. Where's the blueberry?
You want to just try blueberries or you want to try all of them?
I want to try all of them, but first start with blueberries.
Okay.
Is that good?
Why don't we just pour some all in the container? Huh?
Okay.
Right in the bowl?
Yeah, I'll hold it for you.
Ooh. Well, that's chock full.
Whoa.
Look at that.
That's a lot.
Ooh.
My mom doing good. What?
Hold on. All right, William, here's what we're going to do. You got Mama, you got me, and we got...
Me.
And we have, how many kinds of fruit do we have?
3.
So, I'm going to let you pick who gets what, right? Mm-hmm. What do I get?
You get...
Strawberries.
raspberries.
Raspberries. Okay.
And
But I'd like the strawberries for
But you're not
this.
getting it.
Okay.
And Mama gets the beautiful strawberries.
Beautiful strawberries.
Here, I'll be nice and switch with you. You
Okay.
can have the strawberry.
That's not well.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Do you know why I like the strawberries?
Why?
Because when you put them in your mouth and you shut your tongue, they like dissolve. It's like candy. And what do you got to eat? What are you going to eat?
Blueberry.
All right. You got blueberry?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Give me
good.
more blueberry. I'm going to get some blueberry too.
And you taste it.
Thank you.
I was thinking I'm going to eat 2 blueberries.
The blueberries are kind of like an old Captain Crunch fruit berries, except for they're real, because they're like crunchy and they're like airy. Is airy a word, William?
Yeah.
What does airy mean?
Airy means something like very crunchy.
Okay, like crunchy. I'm gonna eat some more strawberries. Look.
So what do you think? Can I put the blueberries in your lunch?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's fine. I will be right back, guys.
By the time he comes back, I'm gonna eat them all. That's good stuff.
I'm back, guys.
Oh,
Get my beautiful water.
you know, I bet this would be good in oatmeal.
Yeah.
I bet this would be good in oatmeal.
I bet.
Like when you go camping.
What if you put all flavors in oatmeal?
That would also be really a good snack to take for soccer. If you get hungry during the game, you can munch on those.
I'm gonna take a little of all the kinds. And while I eat on this, you gotta go to the Valley Food Storage website. I put a link in the video and try the stuff out. It's pretty good. Is it good?
Yep.
Awesome. Say bye.
Bye-bye, guys.